Hey guys, what's up? This is Aniket and today I have a very special gaming headphone to show you guys. This is special because it is from a brand that had never made any PC accessories before. So they entered the PC accessories market with two unique looking gaming headsets. And today I have the superior one, that is the Immortal 1000D. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. This is the Boat Immortal 1000D. I have the black variant with me, but it is also available in a stunning white color. At the back you have some features and specs highlighted, which I will be discussing later on. And I was about to skip the unboxing part, but the packaging is good and kinda unique, so I guess it's worth watching. And inside this box you get your rest of the stuff. So let me just give you a quick look of what are the things you get in this box. So it's a detachable mic, an instruction manual, a promotional booklet, and finally a Boathead sticker and a warranty card. Boat has really studied the market before entering. There are almost no PC gaming headsets that are lightweight in this price range. The frame is lightweight as well as durable. It seems that they have done no compromises in terms of design and build quality. The main body is made of plastic and the resizable mechanism is of metal. You get to see plenty of Boat branding on the headset, which bothers me a little, but it doesn't look bad. Coming to the ear cushions, these are also of very good quality. I mean, for the price these are very good. They are nice and soft to touch. The headband cushioning is also nice and soft. Coming to the wire, this is a decent quality braided cable and is a pretty long cable that they have provided. So if you want to connect it to the back of your PC, it won't be a problem. For the controls, you don't get to see any controls on the body because you have an inline controller. Here on the side you have the volume buttons, and on the front you have the buttons to turn off LED and mute mic and speaker. And lastly, coming to the connection part, this uses a USB Type A connection. This headphone is specifically designed for PC and it supports 7.1 virtual surround sound. So it uses a USB Type A connection. Although you can still connect it to your smartphone using an adapter like this. The Boat Immortal 1000D comes with 50mm drivers. These produce a very loud and good quality sound. If you have known the brand for its smartphone accessories, then you know that they make very bass heavy audio devices. But this is not the case here. The bass here is perfectly balanced, and for gaming you don't need that much bass. What you need is good clarity, treble and good noise cancellation. And all these in this particular headset is very good. I must appreciate the fact that they have given so much attention to detail in every aspect. Coming to the software now, yes, it requires a software. You can use it right after plugging it, it won't make a difference, but to equalize it, you need to install Dolby Access from the Microsoft Store. Here you will get presets for easy equalization and you can set different profiles. Overall, a very nice experience, but there is a catch. You need to have Windows 10 version 18362.0 or higher. Now, if you don't have that or your PC doesn't support Dolby Access for any reason, you can download Boat Plugin Labs software for the very same purpose. And this will even give you 7.1 surround audio feature. Now you might ask, why will you install Dolby Access if you don't get 7.1 there? It is because Dolby Access has those nice presets you need, and 7.1 is not even good in premium headsets, so I guess you got it. If not, then remember that it's just a selling gimmick. You will never use that feature for gaming. Hey guys, this is the Immortal 1000D and currently I am recording for a mic test, and this is the primary microphone. Okay, so let me first tell you, it has two microphones. First is this primary mic, and if you detach it, there is a secondary mic here. So currently I'm recording with the primary mic, and you can see at the background that currently the voice is being recorded with the Windows voice recorder. I will not be editing it. This will be a completely unedited audio sample, and currently the audio you are hearing is from the primary mic. My fan is at full speed and my AC is also running. So you can judge by this that how the quality of the mic is. And right now you can see that the distance from my mouth for the primary mic is this much, and now I will put it a bit far away from my mouth and then I will speak again. So now I have kept the primary mic to a distance and you can hear the audio quality now. I don't know how the audio quality is. I will be hearing it afterwards and then I will be making a comment on this. So currently I am not making any comments. I'm just saying that this is the audio quality. I hope you are getting I hope you are getting how the quality of the mic is from the unedited audio sample. And this is the primary mic, okay. So now I will be switching to the secondary mic. So now this is the audio quality of the secondary mic, and you can see at the background that it is currently recording. It is still recording, and now the audio you are hearing is currently from the secondary mic. And I hope you are getting the quality of the secondary mic as well, because my AC is still running and my fan is at full speed. So I hope you are also getting an idea about how the quality of the secondary mic is. Now I will be hearing this audio and soon I will be making a comment on how the quality of the mic is. But I will say that no matter how the quality of the secondary mic is, you're always going to be using your primary mic. So if the secondary mic is not that good also, it will be okay, it will be just fine, because while gaming you will always use the primary mic. So that's it. Okay, so I guess you got an idea how the quality of the mic is, but the problem is if you go far from the mic, even just a little bit, then also the volume is very low. So that's a con of this very headset. You need to keep your mic as close as possible at all times to make the other person hear properly. It has some flashy lights too. On both the ear cups, the Boat logo and the ring around it lights up in red, blue and green. You can't control it, you can just turn it on or off with the inline controller. And the inline controller buttons also light up, indicating if they are active or not. The fitting and comfort of this headphone seems a little tight at the beginning, but it will be good after using it for a couple of days. The size of the headphone is good for most of the people, but if you really have a very big head, then you might feel that it's a bit small. The ear cups are also of standard size, so unless you are having large ears, it will be just fine. Overall, it is a great PC product. I never thought that a smartphone accessory brand will make such a great PC product. And I'm not exaggerating. Except for the mic, which is not that bad, I didn't find any cons. I tried my best to find cons, but I could only find one. So I will highly recommend you to go for this if you're searching for a headset that is light and sounds good. And last but not the least, I will suggest you to wait for special offers on Amazon, where you will get it for 2,499 only. Otherwise, right now the price is 2,999 Indian rupees. So buy links will be in the description, and as always, like and share this video. I will be catching you guys in the next one, and till then, peace out.